Hello everyone, my name is Tom Haugen. I am the CDI Information Services Coordinator, and here I'm going to show you how Adobe Reader DC is going to help you send for signature. So you by now should have received an email from the system from Adobe with a username and password. And what you'll do is you need to either download Adobe Reader DC, or if you already have it, you should see a shortcut on your desktop. Looks like this. Go ahead and open that up. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in to the system, which up on the right, you're going to see a login, sign in. So what you want to do with that username and password that you created, that the system sent you, go ahead and sign in with that. And that way now you're signed in. And what this allows you to do is, this will allow you to send for signature because you have been assigned a license to do so. So at this point, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the file that you want to send for signature. And you can either do that by opening the file directly from Adobe, or you can go to File, Open, and then find it on your machine. For this example, I'm going to open up the welcome PDF. So now that I have the welcome PDF open, what you're going to see on the right hand side is a list of options to use. And what you're going to want to find is Adobe sign. This one, not the fill-in sign, but the Adobe sign. If you don't see Adobe sign on the right, please click More Tools, and then you will see it in here. And if you hit open from here, it will end up showing up here. Once you open it, now you have the option to send for signature. And this is so powerful that you can send it to multiple recipients and have it either have a workflow to where once one person signs, it automatically sends to the next person and then the next person. When everything is signed, everybody gets a copy of that agreement. Once you have your email address in the tube, you can click Advanced. It will load the document. And what the Advanced does is it gives you the ability to go ahead and add multiple recipients in order, complete in order, or complete in any order. Complete in order is it will go to admin CDI first, and then the second person second, third, and so forth. I already have the file that I want, but you can drag more files straight into here if needed. Once this is done, you hit next. Now what you need to do is you need to add the signature fields to the page. So if you have designated lines for signature, this is where you would electronically make those lines. So they're usually at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this. And just as an example, I'm going to use this line or any line as a signature line. So now what you want to do is you want to go over to the right, and for the first signer, each signer is going to have a designated color. So now that I'm clicked on this signer right here, this is the signature block this signer is going to use. And it's only going to show for this person to sign. So what I want to do is I want to do a signature. Drop it in. I'm drag and dropping. And if you want to do initials, you can. Signer info fields is what you want. Name, date, or email, whatever you feel, title, whatever you feel is going to be needed for the signature. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and hit send. And what that will do is we'll send the document to the recipient to sign. Once it's signed, you will get an email back specifying that it has been signed and it has been documented with the flow within the PDF. And that will conclude how to send for signature. Thank you.